Subscribe to Software Testing Mentor channel, learn latest technologies in software testing, test automation, testing tools, and much more. Hello friends, welcome to Cucumber tutorial from rcvacademy.com. In this tutorial, we will learn how to set up your development environment and what are the steps to finally set up your development environment so that you can start doing BDD Selenium scripting or doing the automation. So the first step in setting up your development environment is install the Java or JDK on your particular or on your specific machine. So for example, you're using Windows, you need to install the executable file for Windows. If you're using Linux, Solaris, or Mac, you need to install respective software. So in order to download, just type in JDK download and it will give you the results. So go to the Oracle website where you have all the Java development kit available. So version 8, version 10 is also released. So if you want to install version 8, click on version 8 and it will take you to the downloads page. On the downloads page, you just need to accept the license agreement and select the executable file for the environment that you want to install it. So for example, Windows, you need to choose the Windows 32-bit or 64-bit depending on what OS you are using. For Mac OS, you need to select the .dmg. For Linux and Solaris, respective packages are available on the download page. So choose the package that for particular computer where you are at and follow the instructions. So on Windows, it's pretty straightforward. You just need to follow the installation instructions. Just double click the exe file and it will guide you through the installation process. For Mac OS, I have already produced a video or produce a tutorial how to install it on the Mac computer. For Windows as well, I'll prepare one tutorial, so in case you find it difficult to install, you can follow that tutorial and install Java on your machine. So it's not tricky at all. It is pretty simple. If you follow the instructions, then it's pretty simple to install JDK on your machine. So that is pretty much all about setting up JDK on your particular machine. In next tutorial, we'll see how you can set up Eclipse IDE on your respective machines. Thank you.